Hey everyone, we're reviewing the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301fdw, one of the best LaserJet printers recognized by the New York Times.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Key features: print speed, up to 26 pages per minute. Print quality, 600 by 600 dpi for vibrant, high-quality prints. Monthly duty cycle, can handle up to 40,000 pages a month. Connectivity, wireless, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and mobile printing options. Security, HP Wolf Security protects your data. Conclusion: the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301fdw is a reliable, fast, and high-quality printer that's perfect for small businesses. If you need efficiency and good color printing, this one's a solid choice. Let us know your thoughts on this printer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Device Doctor for more reviews. Thanks for watching.